partner.
Okay.
Yes. That is now the biggest room. Well, these two rooms have got, this is a sitting room, and they have got a balcony.
Oh, yeah.
That is out there. So this is what we call guest B. Which has got two twin beds.
Okay.
It's not like the guest A.
That's nice. Wow.
Although you can relax here and see mountain and now it's clearly when you're out here.
Oh, there's big balcony here.
Yeah. The marble stuff.
Yeah.
Enough with Meneto again.
Oh, that's nice.
So this is the sitting room.
Yeah.
Called the buffalo. With a buffalo
Yeah.
head.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
So the rooms also here are the same size. I've got double bed. See a lion skin?
Oh, yeah. Cool.
This one was left by Kashoggi. It's the only skin which was left by Kashoggi here.
That's all.
Yeah. Good in playing tennis, you can come and play sometimes.
Yeah.
But not. So within the pages.
Wow. That's big, yeah.
But the rate is the same as the down one.
Oh.
This one, naona tu alafu wanaenda.
Wengine wameenda?
Wameenda.